So, heartburn. The background of heartburn. So, for food to digest and for your body to receive the nutrients from the food, it has to go through the digestive system. And it's called digestion. So step one, the food you eat goes into your mouth and your teeth chew it. And once the food is chewed, it is pushed down our throats and through the tube that leads into our stomachs called the esophagus. You can see it in this picture. In our stomachs, there are stomach juices that help break down the foods, and then the broken down food goes into the small intestine, then to the large intestine, and finally the leftover food that isn't, like the nutrients isn't taken from, and it's just leftover, called stool, is held in the rectum, kind of like a holding cell, where it waits to come out of your body. So in the process of digestion, you can get what is called heartburn or acid reflux. And heartburn is a burning sensation that you feel in the center of your chest after you eat a lot of food in a short amount of time. So you're super excited to eat and you eat really fast. Why and how does it happen? Why? So when you eat too much food in a short amount of time, your brain doesn't have enough time to register that you're full, leaving you with a stomachache because you've overeaten. So how? The contents of the overfull stomach begin to back up into the esophagus because your stomach is so full like this that it backs up into your esophagus, which is the tube leading from the mouth to the stomach. And this backup causes the esophagus to get kind of swollen and inflamed and irritated, like this picture, this guy's esophagus. So who does heartburn affect? So heartburn doesn't discriminate, as it can affect really anyone of any age, although some people may get it more often than others because of the certain foods that they eat in their diets, or they could have a malfunctioning LES, they could be overweight, smoke a lot. So some of the foods that cause people to have higher risks of heartburn are coffee, tomatoes, chocolate, alcohol, things with acids in them, so tomatoes are right there. So what happens as a result of heartburn? So once you start feeling pain in your chest after a large meal, you should take an antacid tablet, Tums right here, to help moderate the pain. In order to have a lesser chance of getting heartburn, again, it's recommended that you eat slower so the stomach acid breakdown is moderated. And also after you eat, it's recommended that you not lay down after your meal so that the gravity can help you digest your food. And that's it.